Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide games in Samsung Galaxy M35. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Hide Apps on Home and Apps screen. You might see other options related to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or hotspot settings pop up, but ignore those. We're looking specifically for the option to hide apps from view. Note, you might also see something called Private DNS in the results. That's for blocking ads, but not what we're focusing on today. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Once you're inside, you'll need to tap the option again to confirm that you want to enter the Hide App settings. Step 5. For the last and most important step, under the section, scroll through and tap on any game or app you want to hide. For example, I chose Free Fire. Once you've selected your games, tap Done at the bottom. Boom! Your selected apps are now hidden from both the home screen and the app screen. Don't worry, they're still installed and accessible. They're just hidden from view. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.